Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2343. Today's date is 3rd May 2022. वाजले आता रात्रीचे ऑलमोस्ट 10 या म्हणजे 10 वाजायला अजून 10 मिनिट बाकी आहे. Alright. So since yesterday I decided that की day before yesterday I decided that I will upload shorts on my main channel after 10 days. So I get some sort of traffic on my channel. Like yesterday I got 7,000 views in a day, and today as also I got almost like 12,000 views. Okay, eventually it will be increased. Okay. Also one thing is that I am set up a plan that I work according to it. Is that I have to upload 12 shorts and 12 videos, so every day. And as also there is a thing that I'm gonna tell you is that uploading shorts like is not that kind of like a very hard to me. Like basically, like I already extracted some of the best part of the game. Okay, I just have to extract even more. So it just don't take that much time. Okay, like if you wanted to extract 1 minute clip from 30-minute segment, so which is really hard to find, but when you extract 1 minute file from 2 minute file, from 1 minute file to 2 minute, then it will be really easy. Like everything is already set up, you just have to cut it and khatam. Okay, so that's it. So it's good, it's great. As also after this artifact episode I will complete Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Okay, I promise that till the end of the day I have to complete this game. So tomorrow I will be start a new game, or maybe tomorrow I will be focus on editing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, editing and everything. As also I didn't really completed the Advanced Warfare. Yeah, it's in the end, so I can complete that. Then after Battlefield 5, there is nothing in Battlefield 5. Like you just have to put it the clips and that's it. Also still my strategy is work. Like there is like basically, let me tell you one thing. I didn't really put any game name in my video title, so everyone asks that key, what is this, which game is this, which game is that. So it's kind of like a really cool. So when these people comment on my shorts, it's that short will become more and more engagement. So it's good, great. Yeah, so this is it. I just have to keep doing this stuff. As also I will not set up a target. Like basically, like when I started this I'm getting views now, so I set up like it take me 5 days to achieve 1,100 subscribers, something like that. So I actually keep doing those stuff, but eventually from last 10 days I was not really uploading any shorts on my channel. So I was decided that I will start this chasing a target after I achieve 1,000 subscriber. And looking at the number right now, I have 966 subscriber, and it takes almost like a 30 subscriber, and maybe till the end of tomorrow I will achieve that number too, or maybe day after tomorrow. Okay, I don't know. Yes, but yeah. And soon as I achieve 1,000 subscriber, then I have to set up a target like 5 days to achieve 100 subscribers. So I will keep doing this, keep posting those stuff and every day. All right. So this is it. Everything is fine, is good. What is exactly happened today? So today I wake up at 7 a.m. Soon as I wake up and soon as I wake up, I am actually very much free because I already uploaded so many videos, so I am not really worried about this thing. So after breakfast, I started doing work at maybe 9:30. I started doing work, and I completed my shots. I completed 12 shots uh, till the end of 11 a.m. Then what does happen? Like today, I masturbate. Like I don't know, yeah. This masturbation is became really addiction to me. Like basically, I did day before yesterday. I did today. It was not really good, yeah. I just have to control myself. But how should I do that? Like every time I try to do it, just every time I fail. Addiction is really not so good. Yeah. It's really bad. Whatever. I just have to complete this game, and this is it. This is the end. There is a one good thing happened today. Is rain. Yeah, is actually like the whole like a very dirty summer is actually going on, and the average temperature is here is above 35 degree. So every time it's just very warm and very it's just like this is the summer in India. Okay, what would you expect? Like sometime it is even much more. Okay, like 40 plus or 45 plus temperature goes. So it was really hot, but today is rain is happened, and it just feel really cool, feel really great. Like basically when I was cycling, I feel that wind, I feel that some sort of cold, and I feel really good. Just like this is the greatest thing, the my favorite thing on the earth is rain, barish, and yeah. And there is a one fact I'm gonna tell you. In the whole solar system, there is only two planet जहाँ पे बारिश होती है, यानी where the rain is actually happened. So first is Earth, another planet is what? बारिश होती है मीन्स लाइक दैट कि हमारे अर्थ में जो बारिश होती है वो पानी की बारिश होती है. बट देयर इज़ अ planet name, it's not planet, it's a satellite of Jupiter name what is the name, Europa or something like that. It was really difficult. Europa नहीं यूरोपा ही में भी. ओके, सो वहाँ पे जो बारिश होती है वो मेथेन की बारिश होती है. यूजुअली हमारे अर्थ में जो मेथेन है वो एक तरह से गैसेस फॉर्मेट में रहता है, बिकॉज वो उसे अगर लिक्विड फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करना है तो दो एटमॉस्फेयर का टेम्परेचर -300 या 400 होना चाहिए, तब जाके मेथेन एक लिक्विड फॉर्मेट में आता है. ओके, जो हमारे एलपीजी में जो मेथेन होता है वो एक गैस होता है. ओके, सो बट Europa, or like I am not exactly the correct name of it, the satellite of the Jupiter, the average temperature of that planet is -400 or -700 degree Celsius. It was so cold. तो वहाँ पे जो मेथेन की बारिश होती है, इवन वहाँ पे मेथेन के समुंदर है. ओके, लाइक देयर आर, जहाँ जिस तरह से हमारे अर्थ पे पानी की ओशन है, वहाँ पे मेथेन के समंदर है. इट वाज सुपर, या इट वाज सो कोल्ड. ओके, और जो बर्फ़ बनते हैं मेथेन के, वो मेथेन के ही है. लाइक समटाइम लाइक -700 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दैट मीन्स आप मेथेन को सॉलिड में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे इतना कोल्ड टेम्परेचर है. सो इट वाज रियली इंटेंस. ऑलराइट, सो इधर everything, it's just a fact. Okay, I just have to tell the thing. Okay, I am not really sure what is the name of the planet, but I'm really sure about this is the satellite of the Jupiter. All right, yeah. So I just have to complete this game soon as possible. All right, this is it. Thank you.